In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram newsfeed not loading problem. If you want to fix Instagram feed not showing new post, then follow the step. Go to your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps, click on manage apps. Now search Instagram. Tap on storage. Click on clear data. Now click clear cache from your Instagram app. It helps you to fix Instagram newsfeed not loading problem. Open your Google Play Store, or if you are Android user, open your App Store. Click on search. From the search menu, search Instagram app. From here, make sure your Instagram app is updated because it helps to fix Instagram newsfeed not loading problem. Now see the next step. Open your Instagram app. Click on your profile icon. Tap on three line. Scroll down and find out the help option. Now go to help. Click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Now follow the next step. In this box, you can briefly explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram. After send your report to the Instagram support team help you to fix Instagram newsfeed not loading problem. Go to Instagram app and now see Instagram newsfeed not loading problem solved.